Cooking with Hedap. Today's session, I'll be making gari FORTOR with grilled salmon. Here are the ingredients. I've just added 2 teaspoons of butter, and I'm going to add the blended ginger and garlic. It goes in the spring onion and then the green beans. I've preheated the oven for about 5 minutes. I'm putting the fish in now. Now I'm adding the chopped cabbage in and stir fry gently. Leave it to cook for about 3 minutes. Put the Maggi cube in and then stir fry gently. Now I've just added a bit of water to the garlic and mix it to soften it before I add it to the vegetables. So I think it's well done. I'll add it to the vegetable and then stir fry gently. Make sure it goes in well. I've just checked on the fish and it's cooking nicely. What I would do, I'll just chuck in the asparagus so that it will grill with it nicely. The fish is now done and the gari FORTOR too is ready, so I'll just serve it. The food is now ready and it's now served. I forgot to mention earlier that you can have the gari FORTOR with a tomato sauce. This has a bit of chili in it, or you can have it with shito, African black pepper. Thank you, and don't forget to put your lovely comments and like and share with your friends. Watch out for the next video very soon.